Okay, we're back at my aunt's other garage, her GeniePro screwdriver, and it's still in pretty good shape. Everything, it's getting noisy. So, cause see, noise has changed over time. So yeah, the noise of it's changed over time. I'm not sure exactly why. I'm saying the remote has a weak signal. It's kind of odd. So yeah, everything's still the same, pretty much. And look at this. So this sensor's fine, but then you know what I noticed? This one, you can't see any light on that one. It needs to be. It's not necessarily bad, but I'm just saying that. That might be an issue. We still have the human springs. And here's our remote. It's the same ACS CTG type one I've been using for these videos. If you haven't seen any other videos here, it's model CM8600 XL/M. And I will open it back up. Okay. So they've never had a keypad. I think they actually might have had a keypad, but I'm not sure if I remember. Oh, dang, it's bright out. Anyway, I'll close it from the outside for you. Still got our handle, same color, short panel. It is 16x7, steel, uninsulated, and this is the handle I'm talking about. And they don't have the, but you can see that little crack there on both sides. It's not the best. Other shipping missing down here. I'll open it back up. Okay. So now let me first put the remote away. So you'll notice how the opener is a little bit louder than the last video. It's just so that's completely normal. It's nothing to be really that much worried about. So yeah, yeah, it's just a good door, good opener. And they probably don't use it that often anymore, so this is now a pretty good opener for this door. The other one has, so here's the wall control, and there's the lock feature. So lock feature lasts, so when I push the light, it's not gonna turn off, but if I push the up-down button, it will close. but it will not open it back up. So basically it's like closing a door and locking it, like you can do with regular doors. This garage door, but then it won't open it back up. And it still won't turn the light on, so. Yeah, that's it. So, thank you for watching, guys. And I'll see you in the next video.